This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Good morning, everyone. A little late by 2 minutes, but no big deal. Okay, 15-minute chart. Look at that dump there, eh? NFP. A little bit of a sell-off under previous day's low, under VWAP. Good morning, James. Hit the like button. This line over here I don't need anymore. So, here's the strange thing. We've traded above the Asia session highs and we traded above the Asia session lows. And that statistically says we're going to get back above the Asia session highs at some point today. It's about an 80% probability. So that's an interesting one. And the thing is, if we go to the daily chart also, we were bouncing right off the 50 moving average there, the 50 period moving average. That's that flat dash line. But this could just be a little bit of a fake out in the morning. It is Wednesday. What did we do Monday and Tuesday? Oh, we kind of traded up. So I'm not surprised to see it move lower on Wednesday, but I'm curious to see if that holds true. The fact that we're going to trade back up to the Asia session high. So that's something to keep an eye out for. We could see a strong move higher. But as it stands right now, I am bearish. Lower swing highs on the 1 minute chart, lower swing lows, price channel trading down. Everything is showing bearish. I got my MFFU account up a little bit. I got my topstep account up 93. I got my Bulenox account up 140. I'm going to be copy trading. How many accounts today? 1, 2, 3, 4 copying with 1 leader. So 5 accounts are going to be going today. And I'm even introducing in one of my PA accounts gently. So I got to carefully monitor my positions tab. Actually, you know what? I think I said I'm going to do this, but I'm going to make my PA account the leader. I'd prefer to do that. Why is that not working? 500 bounce if we are lucky. How high does 500 get us? I don't think that gets us high enough for the another run up to VWAP OFT. 410, yeah, 410, a little bit over the previous day's low for that I see. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe. Possibility up to 583, even a gap fill. I mean, of course, everything is a possibility. I'm not going to put a probability to it. I'm just saying it's a possibility. Something that if I see strength, I wouldn't be surprised if it happens. Logs are trapped. Yep. Good luck, good luck. I'll see you in your room. Yeah, okay, so, hey, good old wood chip. Not planning that, but some kind of bounce would be nice, yeah. Good morning, wood chip. Nice to see you. James, you watching the markets? You watching the indexes, or you're watching currencies this morning? Gold. What is gold doing anyways? I stopped watching gold. 3,300. Crude coming down. Good. This is the 1 minute chart we're going to be watching. 20-point average range. 300 hold at open could be okay long. 300 rejection. Be careful. See you later. See you, OFT. Talk later. Well, the algo is still maintaining a long stance, a long bias. And I gotta figure out where I'm going to place my next trades. Oh yeah, it's true. I said I was going to set up my copy trader. I gotta change the ratio of one of these ones, yeah. Okay, copy trader is all set up, 922. All my strategies are locked and loaded, I think. Yep. So the only thing I need to be careful with is taking manual trades that could go in the opposite direction of the algo, because then I will be flagged for hedging, and I am trading a PA account today, so I got to be very careful of that. And like OFT says, we're quite far away. How many points? 280, 480, 200 points away from VWAP. Wow. That's a bit of a stretch, so I got to assume we're going to see a little bit of a push up, at least to the previous day's low. Of course, it's just an assumption. Doesn't mean I'm right. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. I'm going to start off, take a couple of more trades in my MFFU account. That's going to be my warm-up for the morning before I go to trading the to the 5 accounts in with the copier. Topstep and the Renkos. You can see the Renkos. The Renkos have kind of switched. Not kind of, they've switched. Oh, I didn't do a sound test. It's true. Sound test. One more time, sound test. Still not working stable. Try again. Still not working stable. Try again. Very good. Everything working. You're going to hear an echo over there, but not anymore. Yep, so you can see the Renkos have switched to a bias, if you know how I decide that. A full bar above the bands. So the bias is now bullish. $9.25. I'm tempted to go long, but not going to do that. Not going to go long. Joker Trades. Good morning, Joker Trades. How you doing? Wood chips long already. OFT is thinking some kind of bounce, hold above 300. That's what's going on. I'm kind of bullish also. I think we're going to see a little bit of a bounce. Tempted to take a trade pre-market, but it breaks my rules and I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to sit here. I did a little bit extra in my MFFU account. I have till 11:30 to trade. There's no rush. 2.5 hours. I'm going to see a lot of trades in that time. I just want to check one thing, guys. Your screen might go black for 1 second. No kidding, eh? That's so funny. So let me try one thing now. Trailing stop at break even, 69. That's step one for catching big moves. In 25 seconds, there's going to be a little bit of a pop though. It's going to be the imbalance report. Where's my extensions? Manage extensions. And refresh. And control delete. There was that 28 pop. Where is sound coming from? Open sound settings. It's true. I didn't do the mic test. Device properties. Mic should be 88. Still is. Wonderful. It's staying consistent. Finally.
Con mi música antigua en la mano, por las calles de Madrid temprano, buscando almas que entiendan.
Oh, nice. Good job. Good job. Good job. Wow, you're cleaning up the points there, Witchup. Oh, guys, hit the like button while it's still early in the morning. And we remember. Ten seconds to open. Trailing stop. I'm going to take it easy. I think my first trade will be on Bulenox. Wow, look at that dump. Why is it not showing up in Bulenox? There we go. That quote's jammed. Stopped out. Maybe I'll wait 2 minutes. The quotes are funky now in Bulenox. Yeah, it looks about the same thing though. Looks like it caught up to okay, first order didn't hang. That's good. I hate orders that hang, especially on the open. That's a day ruiner almost. Let's see if I can. I'll short two right here. Oh wow, that's a quick $70. Let me switch over to my topstep account.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted.
That was a bit of a weak trade. I had to get out of it. I was short in topstep, but the entries were poor, and that caused me some stress. That's another poor entry. I'm short again. Not getting the price I want. I gotta get out. Okay, those two poor trades. So I'm going to take a little bit of a break. Oh, let's get to the opening drive. See what the opening drive is short. Let's get that on Sim 102. Watch the opening drive. I'm going to take a little bit of break because my trading was poor. I didn't lose any money on that poor execution, but I think the 250, it went long. Okay, so my algo went long. That's interesting. I see it. I definitely see the long. Okay, oof. We're going to have a big stop though. It's a little early for the algo to go long, but I'm going to join it if I can, especially if topstep confirms the direction, which it's very close to doing. Okay, it did. Let's go push higher now. This is the trade. Trying. So we're seeing some selling. Come on, push higher. This is the trade. Oh, there's the lines. There are the lines, and we're through. We're through. Close 282. First trade for the. Hey, wait a minute. What's wrong? Oh, there we are. 277. I was going to say. First trade in the books for the algo. Excellent. Another 200 and something dollars. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. I'm in a FOMO trade now. I'm chasing. This could be expensive. Only a 2-lot, but I got to get out of it. I shouldn't be doing that. I'm out at break. Even I lost $6. Okay, getting a little too excited. Like Joker says, it's possible I'm starting to think my shit don't stink. So I'm not trading setups. I gotta take a break. Gotta take a break. Yeah, OFT's watching the 300 level. It's funny, it doesn't show up there. I mean, it kind of does show up, but it's a good thing I didn't get. I stopped from trading because I can see I just had a bunch of losers. I'll take a break.
They say love and hate are two sides of the same coin we ride. So now we flip it, let it spin, see which side we're in. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. You know you feel it like this feeling, then you let it roll. Inside this feeling, never bite, I know this bit, so just sit with me one and all. Okay, mama, we both wait like this, nothing they can.
Took a bit of a trade in my MFFU account. Come on, push one more. There we go. MFFU is over 200. I think that's what I set my goal for MFFU. It's 200 for the day. Okay, let's go back to the opening drive. The opening drive is in the money. Let's take a look at the strat. I was thinking I should stop it, but I'll let it go. I don't know what OFT sees at the 300 level. He keeps talking about it. Maybe just this little swing high over here. I mean, I know he uses support and resistance. Okay, when this candle closes, it should paint an orange background, meaning the algo is going to be looking for short trades after. Okay, I'm slowly picking away at my topstep account. Topstep is up to 189, Bulenox 271, MFFU 202. The one apex is 277. Those are some good numbers. Market just opened 939. This 2-lot here is the opening drive short. Wow, it had some large drawdown, but it recovered. I have a theory about this trade I'm going to look into. I'm thinking entering on the first retrace. Well, and then of course continuation. Well, it's a nice deep move lower. What I like about these trades, though, is that I'm getting these numbers with small size, which is pretty cool. Let's go lower. Well, push lower. Let me just see a green flash. There you go. Excellent. Well, I'll close the opening drive if it gets ahead by 250 points. Oh, you know what? My strategy's been disabled, I think. Yeah, it was been disabled. Okay, there we go. It's re-enabled. When I closed the trade, it disabled itself. So it's re-enabled. Wow, look at this move. Where the hell are we going? Where the hell are we going? We're even past this daily low. On the 15-minute, I don't really see much anymore. So I am definitely not going to be trying to call a bottom. Not in this environment.
Vibrating, ancient sounds creating patterns in my mind now, legacy defining beats can make connecting rhythms that protect us, moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. Guessing with my past now, making this our last now, simple la magia, rising through the sound now, every string I'm playing gets my heart praying, para mis ancestors while the beat is slaying. Voices del pasado calling through time, sangre sonido.
Maybe I'm going to take a short at 170 if I can get filled. Come on, 7 points. Let's get down to 45. Nice. Not sure what's nice, but I'll take it. I'll take all the nice.
La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace.
Oh, I have a trade. I'll take this one. Let's get it down to 38 bid. Yeah, we did, but it was quick. Hey, my stream went on. Short a 2-lot here with a very tight stop. If it goes back down again, I'll add. I'm short at 58. I got my finger on the close button. Guess it looks like it's gonna go. Actually, I'm getting out of it. I hope I didn't make the wrong decision. I got out of it. I'll tell you, there we go. I would have gotten stopped out. Excellent. Saved myself some losses. Nice. Half. There's news at 10 o'clock, and there's always, of course, the 10 o'clock reversal that we got to look for, which comes between 9:50 and 10:10. And I guess around 10:15 I'll start trading my copy trading accounts. Ooh, that was a big bounce down. Push up. It's a cheap long here. Come on. Push up. Push up. Push. I want 16 points from here. That's 8. That's 16. That's very good. I'll take it. I'll take it. If it gives it to me again, I'll take it again. I got long at 155. Originally there. That was in the Bulenox accounts. Good morning. Good morning. JC Jacin Cloutier. Nice to see you this morning. Oof. I'm actually going to take a short trade here. I'm going to go with the top step charts. Let's see if I can get 7 points. 52 bid. That's very close to getting stopped out. Stopped out. That's too bad. I think that's the first losing trade. Okay. Let me see where 930 is. Yeah, definitely is the first losing trade. Boop. Algo went short. No, don't give me another loser. Come on, go back down. Go back down. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. That's it for me. Okay. That sucks. Hit my PDLL on my Bulenox account. 948. And what also sucks is we're going to hit the stop loss very soon on the... oh, wow. There's 42 seconds left in this candle, too. This can be a damaging candle. But we got to let it run. Where are we at? We're at 200.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fables, despierta mueven a compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just they galore when everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story solo.
9:49. We're coming up to the what they call the macro, what I call the 10 o'clock reversal. But if there's a 10 o'clock reversal, I'm guessing it's going to be to the upside. And did it start a little bit earlier? Well, it's not taking me out. I have an offer at 209. I think it went to 209 a whole bunch of times. Okay, let's see us get back above now. So the algo was down 110 plus commissions. Is my mic on? I don't even know. Where's my OBS? Yeah, my mic is on. Okay. Check that sometimes. Let's see, do we get up to 80? We got up to 80. Do we get up to 87? That's the next.
Fuck it was night. No words, get it right. The bass hit different when you move like that shit. Sorry first the floor down. Language barrier, don't get it down. Yo, body speaking loud and clear. Bet you feel the heat right here. Te quiero bailar. Don't need to explain. Side eyeing, baby. What? Just let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it go.
Okay, well, that's not good.
Got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it go. Figure out how.
You know what? There's news coming up. I'm gonna have to disable the algo.
Hey, got that international swag. Fuck it up, make the floor say that. Get over lot. Don't need to explain. Start riding, baby. Just let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how.
Yeah, OFT was bringing up how far away we are from VWAP. It is true.
Hey, hey, fuck it up, fuck it up.
Baila conmigo.
Go, 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 go. Chop my meat show.
How far away are we from VWAP?
Got me shook. Body
Woo, 400, 200 points away.
translation needed now. Let it go, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now.
Let's watch and see when the spread starts to increase. Ah, yeah, it's true. The algo would have gone long. There's time. Maybe I'll take it manually. There is time. Okay, what do we have 30 points, so 75. That's around 45 is the stop, and around 05 is the take profit.
Not from quedas en el ritmo. When the beat move, we all move. Sin barreras, sin moves, just true. From Miami to Madrid, we keep flowing. Coast to coast, the movement's growing.
That's traded aggressive.
We unite, breaking barriers every single night. They try to stop us, but we rise higher. We gente dancing through the fire.
68, 45. What did I say? 45, 30. Oh, that means that's where it would stop out, right? Not yet, but close. That's it. So on the candle close, it's a stop out.
These walls come down when we let the music crown. Right from daylight, centering more. Hey, music breaks down every wall, you know. From daylight, centering more.
I'm trading aggressive and it's not working today.
Let's go. From the
Not sure I'm going to be using my trade copier.
Some música breaks every cage. Don't matter where you're coming from. El ritmo makes our hearts beat as one. They can't control what we create. La música sets our fate. Every bullet turns to dust when the people move as us. Bailando west, cantando unidos. Let's go.
Yeah, it was probably a mistake to take a trade just before news like that. I think I can honestly say.
Watch how fast these walls come down when we let the music crown. Light from there, centering more. Music breaks down every wall, you know. Centering more. Music breaks down every wall, let's go. Time from quedas. Let the rhythm speak true. Let the music break through. No, I found
Okay, let's wait for the news. We're going to continue to watch the opening drive play. The opening drive didn't get out yet. I guess that candle didn't close above. Let's just check it on the data box. We have still 2 minutes. The close of the candle was at 0975, the Danshin channel 1075, so it's under. Short of 236, it's up 100 and some odd points. That's cool. If it breaks down another 200 and some odd points, that's going to be 250, and I'll take it. Short trade. Not much is happening to the spread, and it's 20 seconds before the news, so I don't expect too much from this news. Let me just make sure. Yep, the thing is off. So I'll wait. I'll take a few minutes before I initialize the strat again. I'll wait till like 10:03 or something. 9. Boom. There's the news. The spread is wild. Anywhere between 2 points and 12 points. I even saw a 16-point spread for a bit there. Topstep shows the spread, so now we're tightening up. 1 to 2 points the spread. So where do we stand? You know what? I gotta make these a little softer because they're kind of getting in the way, and they're not the major bands. They're just something I'm looking at. I'm comparing the EMA bands to I don't think I can keep it opened. Why would that be? That's so stupid. Why would Chrome be using so much CPU? I'm gonna have to Google that. I gotta close Chrome. Okay, EMA. Meantime, I missed the trade. Let's make it 1 and dash. And the lim regs, let's make them 2. Because these are the ones we're actually using. I don't know why they were so soft. Okay, so the strat. It's funny. The opening drive didn't close above the upper line yet. Strat's long bias. Top step is long bias, but the higher time frame is not long bias. I'll take a small trade here in Bulenox. And I'll add to it if we go up 16 points, but no, I gotta get out. That was it. Stopped out. We're kind of at a crossroads here, I think. The market's gonna, well, I mean, the market can do anything. It can trade sideways, but I think we're at a crossroads where we'll see some sideways action. Let's get another another 8 points from here. I'm taking longs in the direction of the short-term bias. Hopefully I don't get hurt. I'm mildly underwater. I'm long at 69. It's not the greatest entry. There's 70 something. Took a piece off. It was like 77. And now we're back down into the low 60s. Ooh, I was going to try and add. I got my ad. I hope it doesn't cost me. 65. I added around 62. Let's go. Push higher. Let's see, a push higher. I'm expecting a momentum candle to the upside. Got a piece out there at 72. Another piece out at 79. Hold it, my last piece. Let's see, 85, the 85 and 90s. I'll try and get out at. Okay, there we are. We're out. There we're at. We're out. Let me try another retracement trade when I need a better price. Oh, didn't dip. Didn't dip far enough. The buyers came back in. Spread is back down to a quarter 50 on top step, so that's good. Got kind of like a little bit of a resistance line there that I can kind of see. I see why we're stalling out. This could be a dangerous trade. Come on, push higher. Push higher. That looks like the sellers are stronger than the buyers. It could change in In a flash, the buyers can come in 1 insta-second, but right now it looks like the sellers are stronger. I can't believe that the open drive is still in the trade. Still hanging on there, eh? Still haven't had a close above. There we go. Now it's going to close it out. Boop. Done. Out.
Every night at 12, every night at 12, 매일 밤 불씨, breaking all the rules. Every night at 12.
Okay, let's see if we can get a strong push. My entry's a little late. Quite a bit late because it was supposed to be on the close of the previous candle. So I guess I'll just take what it gives me because that was poor entry. Poor entry, poor trade management. I mean, it's not my fault. I heard the signal. It was an audio alert. But by the time I switched, you know what the problem is? I'm using the same audio alert for 1, 2, boom. Okay, so it took a loss. I'm using the same audio alert for multiple charts. I have to cycle through them when it beeps. I'm wondering if Woodchip got long over here at 19,150. That looks like an area that he would have gotten long at. With the fair value gap. Assuming that's the 10 o'clock reversal. Right at 10 o'clock. I mean, there was news, but his theory is that we shouldn't fill the first FVG. Okay, let's get 7 points from here. Let's get up to 22. We got it.
3, 2, 1.
We got it. We got it. Yeah, you know what? I think some of the problems I was doing today, if I have to analyze, it was sloppy trading. It was some FOMO mixed in with some counter trend trading, which kind of screwed me up a bit. I gotta get it back on track, because you know what? All my trend trading trades, almost all of them worked. There weren't a lot of losers. Even if it's just short term and I'm not in sync with the longer term chart. Anyways, right now I have a long at 10 to 10. Trying for 16 points. I got out a two lot at like 22. So I took out 12 points. I have 3 left. Come on, you can push. Oh, look what I see. I see an entry at 22, which means we're going to hit 29. Come on, let's get to 29, 24. And we're there. Excellent. That was an easy trade.
messages. Mi corazón está inquieto, como si fuera tabú. You know, dream but they all look like you. Como tú, so taboo. They sheep but they all look like you. Como tú, yeah. El tiempo no cura what I'm feeling inside. Es horas eternas when you're on my mind. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo
Okay, well, let's do a quick summary of where we stand in a minute. Let's set up the EMAs to be gray. I don't want them to be blue. Gray, I think, is good enough. I want them to be very faint on this chart. And then that's perfect. Now let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Well, the likelihood of getting to the Asia session highs is low in my opinion, but we do have all day to do it. That's all that strategy suggests, that it may happen at some point during the day, but trading up to VWAP is a possibility. Why there was no fade trade breaking through the previous day's low, but it was on news, to be fair with you. So to be fair, it was on news.
No me puedes tomar. Better run while you can, porque soy el mar. Break your pants.
Nose is a little blocked.
First mistake was thinking you could handle this. Burning bridges, leaving ashes, that's my signature.
My nose is a little blocked.
Fucking memories.
Not
Push the
fun,
limits till you panic, watch me laugh at it.
but I am getting better.
So got the battle scars. Try to hold me down, but couldn't last that
Not coughing anymore. That's good.
please, I heard it all. Plenty try before they all went and took the fall. Moving reckless cause that's all I ever learned. Playing matches till the whole damn thing gets burned. Got the fire in my blood is who I am. Either roll with it or run fast as you can. Sola por ejemplo, no hay quien me controle.
So what do we got? We got everything long bias.
Better pray that you know me. No me puedes tomar.
My strategy is enabled again. Take a trade. Let's just confirm it. There we go. And what else we got? Top step, lower time frame and higher time frame long. And the Renkos are obviously long. Why are they on a gray background? Oh, because Crude took a trade. It's the initial balance. It's the first hour of trading. Nice. Yeah. Okay, I took another long in Bulenox, but stopped that already. That was quick. Sit back, wait for a setup. A likely setup is going to be a bullish candle in on the algo. You'll see that on the top on the black chart there, the big chart. Why is my screen so small? Ta-da! Let me open up the black chart a little bit. 23-point range, so it's going to go for 23 points. Let's see if we can get up to 3650, not 3650, 50 bid. That would be cool. 50 bid can get up to and hold. Let's go.
Escuelas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo?
50 bid. Oh, went 50 bid, so now it should go to 57. There we go. That was fast. Hey, the algo didn't go long. It was supposed to.
Paso las horas cantando, monedas van resonando. La gente me mira extraño.
How many points? 47 plus 22 in the 60s. We're in the 60s already. We're in the 60s, so it hit target. I don't know why the algo didn't go long. I guess I'm not as good a coder as I think I am, eh? Anyways, recovering. Let me see what we got so far. We're down 266 on the algo account, and then I got MFFU. Yeah, it's too bad I didn't catch that one early. I thought it was going to take it automatically. That's a shame. The fragility of the trades. Come on, get above. Get above. Get above. There we go. You're trying. I can see you're trying. So if the algo didn't take a trade, I guess it's recording that it already took a trade, which I kind of see that it did right over here. And it was a loser. So the next trade on the algo is going to be a short. So we have some time to wait for that. And aside from that, then it's just going to be pretty much Renko trades. Oof, I really don't like this. I'm getting rid of this. I don't think I need to track the opening range. Or if I do box shade, let me just make it at like 10%. Just to barely see it. It'll be a line. I could take a trade here and see if I could eke out another 100 maybe. Well, push higher. No, don't push lower. Push higher. I have to stop out if we get a bearish Renko bar. I like when they go right away, so I'm lightening up the load already because it didn't go right away. Probability wise, I'm gonna get stopped out. Hopefully there's no rug pull. Okay, I can get out. Okay, a little bit of damage there, but not too much. But there is another trade. There it is. That was a weird noise. Take me out. There we go. What was that noise? I have no idea. Oh, we have an entry on topstep. So I'm going to take it for $300 risk. 71, that implies we're going to see 78. That's a piece off. 76, 79. Got my 78. Very good. I love the topstep trades. I should just take those, to be honest with you. Slowly recovering that account. Gonna enter long again on a retrace. And then I'm gonna have to write down all my errors today. Let me remind myself at what, 10:24. FOMO, chasing, definitely. Oversizing and counter trend trading. Three errors, that's terrible. Okay, let's see what I can pull out of this one. No, I tried to get out on the offer. Go, give another push up. Didn't take me out. There we go. Look, I got it green. Funny. Funny, funny. No more Christmas colors. We're going to get another long entry on topstep. Oh, that was so close. See, we got it on Apex. The Renko closed, but it didn't close on topstep. And now it did. We're going to break out to new highs. I'm not crazy taking this for a 10 lot. Because 10 lot is $300 risk, and I don't want to take $300 risk. I don't mind risking 150. Let's go. Let's get above 92. I'm long at 91.50. Ouch. Looking at here at 85. You're making big. Not really. This one has about $275 risk. Maybe a little bit less. Let me lighten up if I can. Money. No, not yet. Not yet. I'm not crazy about this trade. I mean, anything can happen, but I'm not crazy about this trade. It's funny, Antonio was asking me yesterday, how do you feel about the trade? I said, I really don't care. They're all the same, but no, in that trade there, I cared. I cared because it was taking a long time. It should be going to 99 bid. But it's taking too long to get there. I'm cold. I'm always cold. 92. At 85, I can try and add again. Try that. At 84, I'll get in. I'll take 100. There we go. That was quick, and I'll get back in again at 84 or 85 if it gives it to me. 91. Where are you hanging out, wood chip? I missed the wood chip calls. 87, 85. Let's get back in at 85 and see what happens. 84, 81. Where's the stop on this though? 92, 1488, 78 is the stop. Not too far away. I'm long at 85, 7 points. Hopefully we get back up to 90. There we go, 90. That was nice. I'll take it. There we get back. Oh, RDR. Get back down to 85. Should I enter again? Ooh, that was a fast move up into the 300s. Okay, missed it. I think I'm going to go back to my MFFU account. Yep. Let's go back to the MFFU account. But let's trade it responsibly. Proper sizing. Trend trading. No FOMO. Because those are the 3 mistakes I made today.
Encontré en el ático un sonido mágico, cuerdas totosilo, moving sobre mareco. Ancient more singing while my mind is screaming. Con este ritmo latino that keeps my soul believing. Melody ancestral, making my heart race shout. Feel it in my bones now, does it do this out loud? That I'm moving it to takes me way back when no sito el momento. En gas and present blend flow. El sonido antiguo en mis venas.
Okay, if a bearish candle forms, I'm going for 2 lot, 3 lot. 2 lot. There we go. I can add on 1 more bearish candle, and on the 3rd bearish candle, that's the stop. If I can pull out like 70 bucks there on a 2 lot, I'm taking it, man. Oh, whoa, no, top step. You see, I gotta watch. Top step will just win in long. And there's VWAP. And do you see what I did? I FOMO'd. Not I FOMO'd, I entered in late. Gotta get out. Gotta get out because I entered in late. Sloppy execution. Sloppy execution, you gotta fight for price. I just watched a whole bunch of videos on that yesterday. It was that guy that Joker was talking about. Forgot his name again. The guy that looks like Al Brooks. Okay, I could take a 2 lot here. 40, 32 lot. I'm supposed to release some at even at 20 bucks on a 2 lot. But I'm doing. Oh, 1 more push. I'll take it. Oh. I'll take it, a quick scalp. If I can get back in at the original price, because we're at VWAP, you know what? And we broke the IB high, closed above it. Whew, we're in a little pickle of a place here, actually. Look at all those levels. Previous day's low, VWAP, above us. Initial balance below us. Initial balance high. Interesting situation. A little battle of in the buyers and sellers right now. Algo still long bias. Oh, this is a good trade. I'll take it for a 4 lot. And I'll tell you why, because the stop is 8 points. Doesn't mean I won't get stopped out. Just means the stop is tight. Wood chip. I'll be there in a second. I gotta watch. I gotta keep my 17. It's not going right away. I gotta lighten up. I don't know what I did there. Wood chip. I made my rounds. There's no streamer who actually knows what's going on. Who knows what's going on? There's no Nostradamus. Nobody has a crystal ball. Of course, nobody knows what's going on. We only know what happened. That's why I was saying yesterday, we have to be I have to be reactive, not predictive. And reactive means I have to react. I have the ball. Yeah, here. Hold on. I'll make I have some thumbnails for you. Let me see if I can find them. I haven't finished creating them yet. But it's right on that topic. Don't run away. Don't go making any rounds yet. Give me 5 seconds. Let me see if I can find it. Won't take long. There's not a lot of places for me to look. There we go. I'm almost there with you. Come here. Come on. My mouse is there. We go. Shit, you can't see it. Hold on. Boom. There, now you should be able to see it. No, still no. You see how my computer's hanging? Shit, damn. There we go, now you can see it. I think. There we go. The crystal ball. The orb. The opening range break. Okay. It's in my office and sometimes I run it. Is that the ring? That's not the ring. That's just a kind of crystal ball. Crystal ball-ish. A thumbnail idea. Rub it. I don't have it. The only thing I got is this glass mason jar with tea in it. And I am pretty certain that the algo is going to go short bias soon. Whew, that was a bit of a big run to the upside, eh? 100 to 300. Well, OFT was talking about the 300 level. I should draw in a line over there. Let's put in a line of the 300. I don't know why he was talking about it. I really didn't see it, but I'm guessing it's because of these tops over here. Yeah, so the assumption is we either hold above that or trade below it, and that's going to indicate the direction of the day. Don't quote me on it. I'm adding to my longs. Yeah, I think I'm going to try and get in on a long. I'm just going to wait for a bit of a move, and it's only going to be a 2-lot. I'm all green, right? I don't have any red. Yeah, I don't have any red, so I'm all green. It's not entirely true. I have some red in Bulenox. I have 184 green in topstep. And I hit my PDLL in my goddamn master account in Bulenox. That one's down 482. Oof, I don't even know how that happened. But probably from oversizing and counter trend trading. I came in the markets today feeling very invincible. We're likely going to get a long signal, but I'm... there we go. We converted to short on the algo. I'm watching this for this to convert to a bullish bar, but if the algo's bearish bias now. Anyways, I'll take it for a 2-lot because top step is also going to go long. Let me just get a better price. Entries at 06. So I got in at 03.25. That's a better price for a 2-lot. Nothing spectacular. I'll add over here. And I'm watching it closely. 06, 02, 92 is the stop. And the fact that I'm in red, and yeah, that's it. It's out. It's out. Not surprised. Not surprised, especially since the algo's gone short.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten cradles, despierta se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá.
I was smelling that loss.
The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just the galore and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. The freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Igual
Come on, trade lower. Let's go down by 16 points. Hey, you bugger, wrong way. No, 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 wrong way. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. That threw away my MFFU gains. Okay, let's trade back up to VWAP, get back over the initial balance. If that doesn't sound like a bias, what does? Is this gonna get two or just one? Might get two. You gotta watch it closely. Be kind to me. Don't stop me out. This is what oversizing gets you. I'm gonna end up screwing up my MFFU account, which I didn't want to. Come on, push higher. Push. Push. Nope. I had my chance to get out with a 192 loss on that. I think that was it. That was it. I'm cooked. Come on, form a white bar on top step. Get me a white wrinkle bar on top step. So close. What's the price at? 78, 82, 92. 92 bids got a hold, 92 bid held. Let it go another 8 points. Or 7 points, 99. Let's get over 300. Be happy I. That's what I'll put it at. I'm gonna leave it at be happy I. Okay, I'm gonna wait till things get an agreement. I'm gonna sit on my hands for a bit. What does that mean? Well, that's good. Okay, well, they all got an agreement. I didn't have to wait too long. Everything is long. The only thing that's not long is the algo has a bearish bias. So if we get a bearish candle on the 1 minute chart before it gets above the bands, it's going to take a short trade. That's a strong move back up to VWAP. I'd kind of be happy to see 467 target. Nice target. Got the previous day's low though. Overhead. It's a little bit of a problem. What time is it? 10:45. I think I'm going to let a little bit of price action occur, because this VWAP in the previous day's low could be causing a bit of a resistance. With that being said though, I have a very low risk entry here and I'll take it even if I get stopped out, which I did. I'm happy throwing away 40 bucks on that. That was a very low risk trade. And I'm going to get another entry very soon. On top step, there we go. I took it for lots of lots. I hope I'm right. Okay, we got to get up to 48 bid. 41, let's count them down. 41, 43, 44, oh shit, 43, 39, 42, 39, 40, 37, going the wrong way, 36, 34, 35, 30. Let's get into the 40s. 37. 30. I'm still not stopped out. Oh, this has a large stop, this trade actually. Another 16 points from here. Yeah, we're getting stuck here on VWAP. Are we going to push through it? Only to get bothered again with previous day's low. Boop. That's not good. That's not good. $22.30. I think the algo's trade's going to close out in 17 seconds. Let's put it up over here. No, it should be on 101. Sorry. Why didn't it mark in the... Why didn't it mark in the trade?
Through the centuries, connecting souls set them free. Ancient riddles make me whole. Moving through space and time.
Yeah, to the moon. Me too, to the moon. But let's get through VWAP.
Mi pasado calls to me through the sounds of history, string by string and beat by beat, making past and present me by the sing, but I'll let the music take you far. Feel the strings begin to play as the centuries fade away. Oye, escucha el sonido.
Gotta get through VWAP.
Listen to the strings unfold. Se me siente feliz contigo. Every story being told.
Got the 300 level. Hopefully holding. I mean, we traded a little bit below it. Let me get rid of all those arrows that are making things ugly. For now.
Vamos, vamos. Sigue bailando.
Oh. Okay, I have an entry. 29, 27. Oh, 2 points worse. That's bad. 2 points worse and a lot of size.
Bailando through the centuries, so making so set and free. Bailando,
The universe punishes shit like that.
bailando contigo.
27. Let's get up to 32. Oof, I'm gonna have to give up for today.
Show the way.
Wait for the next entry. Okay, well, we're at the 300. The 300 level held once before. Going back inside the initial balance. $92, $96. Let's get up to 06. 06 bid. 06 bid has to hold. 01 trying. Yeah, let's add a little here and hope it holds. And then I'll add more if we get to 06. No, it's not 06 now, it's 99. Changed, we went a little bit lower there. And there you are. Okay, either we go or we don't. I'm maxed out on MFFU. Was that my opportunity? I think I have to say thank you for that. And be very careful now. Back up to VWAP. Anybody new in the channel, hit the subscribe. It's always appreciated. Helps with the YouTube algo. And you get notified. Oh, I got a trade here. And you get notified when I... shit, I missed it. You get notified especially in your search when I post videos about the prop firms. I'm creating a prop firm series. Actually, I have to do an update on Bulenox. They just updated their master account agreement about the live stuff. I think I'll take that. Ooh, I'm lucky I don't have red. I'm lucky I don't have red. Let me get back in again. Wow, VWAP is really holding, eh? We're just wicking through it. Okay, I have to commit to trading properly. I did. Okay, I can enter there. I can actually enter double size. Even though every time I enter double size, I'm always getting stopped out. But I'll take the stop. There we go. I'm stopped out. I take it. I take it. Hello. Does it help? If it helps, I would blow. Blow on the screen. Oh, I thought it was on the mic. Hold on. I might get an entry on topstep. Screen's too far away. Shit, damn. That was a nice trade. Missed it. The algo is disabled, so I don't think I'm going to re-enable it anymore because I'm leaving at 11:30, so we're going to leave it where it is. And we soon are getting our bias on the Renko charts. Do you see the Renko charts? No, you don't. Switching to bearish, actually, on this one. It already switched to bearish. We got under the bands. Actually over there too, and on top step. Interesting. So the only thing that's bullish right now is the higher time frame, which of course is the is the dominant trend. So I have two choices: take short setups that occur, or ignore them. And given what I'm seeing here with the bounce off that 300 level, I do have a short setup here, but I think I'm going to, I won't ignore it, but I'll take it for a 2-lot. Sell another 2. It's very close to getting stopped out. I got my finger on the button, on the close button. Very likely to get stopped out. There we go. Out. And you know what happens when you do that? You miss the entry signals on the up move. See, that's the problem with doing that. I got a long trade triggered and I couldn't get in on it. VWAP again, huh? Maybe now is the time to blow on the screen. What, Chip? Get us through VWAP. Third time's the charm.
Every night at 12, every night at 12. 매일 밤 breaking all the rules. Every night at 12 the rules.
Let's see what we can get out of this. Hopefully we get a long trade triggering. I got in on the retracement, but if the continuation triggers, I'm going to add. And I'm really hoping it does. 55 bid has to hold, so that's around where I'm going to add. That's 14 points above where I'm already in. Let's go. Let's see 55 bid. It really looks like it's going to go there. Really, but VWAP is there. And if I overcommit, it's not going to go. That's just how the markets are. So I'm not overcommitting. I'm going to stick with my 3 lot. My 3 lot is based on a retrace on the Francos entering on this bearish bar. Oh, I'm supposed to add, but I don't think I'm going to. That's it. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. Those trades are costing me, actually. That went long again. Woo! What a roller coaster ride. What a roller coaster ride. Tabernuch 41 was the entry. Shit, I missed it. I can try to get in at 48 bid. Not anymore, I guess. And there's the previous day's low. Hand off the mouse. That was a nice move. It was kind of predictable. As is the fade off the previous day's low. That's why I said hand off the mouse. But with that being said, with the Renko giving me 1 down bar, I can enter for a 3 lot. And hope we get a bar up, which is 2 full bars. Let's go back up. Let's get back up to the previous day's glow. $65, $64, $66, $70, $71. There we go. That was nice. Oh, there's a top step trade. I'm in at 74. Top step is in at 76. It's a bad trade. Do the buyers come back in? We got the previous day's low there, acting as a little bit of resistance. And I'm getting out. I'm getting out because that's a weak entry. Not right. I don't want to go long. It's an entry at 76, indicating we're going to see 83 bid. But I don't want to take it right on the previous day's low, even though there's a 70% chance statistically. Oh, we got so close there. I'll wait for the price to mix up a little bit and give me a better signal.
it'll be fun. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep.
This is worth a 3-lot almost. I've been losing on these trades, but definitely worth a 3-lot. Stop is very, very tight. And stopped out. Okay, that was 40 bucks, I think. Wow, what it's doing is it's in one of those zones there, bouncing between two, 3 levels, and my continuation trades aren't working out. I'm going to assume we're going to make a continuation trade again, and I'll add. It's going to be at 69 bid. Buyer's pretty strong, so I'm expecting to see it, and there it is. I'll add. Brings me to 65. They're long at 69. Really? Really? You know what's going to happen if I don't take my stop, eh? I'm getting beaten up. Okay, I'm out. I just sit on my hands here. We're in a really crappy area. What's the algo looking like? Well, it could potentially take a short, but it would need 2 bearish bars before it would take a long. It's funny, you know what? It's true, no, I can't. Yeah, I'm going to have to recode it. I think I'm going to recode the algo to go with the EMA bands instead of the I think the EMA bands a little slower, but I think I prefer them. And obviously we got another entry to the long I didn't get in. I'm gonna try and get in. The price is 69, 74, 75, 76. That's it. It's kind of over. It's kind of over. I missed it. That was the 7-point move. Let it go. Let it run. Let it blow through the previous day's low. And then let's try for, like I said, the gap fill, which would get us over also the Asia session highs. Remember I said there's an 80% chance we do that at some point in the day.
¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Discuelas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, ¿quién baila? Behind every
Okay, I'm back, but you know what? I think the day's over anyways. Oh, MFFU's in red? Oh no, it's not up. Didn't I connect it? That was my MFFU account doing. Let's just do a quick summary. Okay, I don't think I have red. It's all green. I got a few things I gotta do, guys, so I think I'm gonna call it here. I don't know why we got power failure. It was weird. It flashed on and off. But I think that's enough for me anyways. I gotta leave soon at 11:30-ish. And there's one thing or two things I gotta do before that. Look how the moving average is holding better. Yeah, definitely have to change that. Gonna have to make a note of that. I think I'm gonna prefer the moving average. Anyways, let's try it. Okay, so I'm co-streaming tonight with Joker at 7 p.m. If you haven't tuned into that, come and check us out. If not, I'll be streaming again tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. sharp. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button if you can. It's always appreciated. And I will see you tonight and tomorrow. Take care. Bye.